Hi, this is Pandi from Tenet Technetronics, Bangalore. In the previous video, we have introduced a new open source platform called ChipKIT, and we have shown the difference between Arduino platform and ChipKIT platform. In this video, I am going to show a small demonstration of interfacing an IR sensor. So this IR sensor, we can use it as an obstacle avoidance sensor, or a counter, or a door sensor. And I am going to interface this thing with a ChipKIT, and I am going to show the output using a buzzer. Here for this example, I will be using this IR sensor as an obstacle avoidance. To work on this ChipKIT platform, we need to use MPLAB IDE. To download this software, just visit our website and search for ChipKIT. If you scroll down, you can find the link. Here I have connected this ChipKIT Uno with my system, and here in this laptop the driver is installed already. So if you want to check whether the driver is installed properly or not, just need to go to Device Manager. It will be there in the ports. If it is not installed properly, then right click, update driver, install from a specific location. So this is the location of ChipKIT Uno where you have unzipped it, and click next. The driver will be installed properly. This is the MPLAB IDE. Here I have written a code in such a way that I will be connecting the door sensors to the 4th pin and buzzer to the 7th pin. So whenever any obstacle is there, the buzzer will be giving the beep sound. Here is the hardware connection. I have connected the IR sensor, that is the door sensor, to the 4th pin and buzzer to the 7th pin. So whenever any obstacle is there, you can hear the beep sound. So what are the applications we can develop with the help of this IR sensor? So as I said previously, we can use this one as a counter, as a obstacle avoidance, or you can use it as a door sensor.